Hey guys, part 3. Um, we're still having issues with the thing down there. So, anyway, see what happens. So now, we're hooking up this thing. We're probably going to have to call the pool now. Well, there's no background noise. Probably can hear me a lot better. Looks like they might have just fixed it.
Okay, while they're up working on the sled, we're going to do the kids' pedal tractor pull. So, as soon as we get the pedal
Oh, this will
tractor
be
pull,
interesting.
the sled and the tractor down here, some weights, we're going to start signing kids up. So, 4 and younger, 5 and 6-year-olds, 7 and 8-year-olds. That's our classes. So any kids that want to participate in it, come down to the end of the track where that traffic cone is sitting and meet us there, and we'll get you signed in. That's 4 and younger, 5 and 6-year-olds, 7 and 8-year-olds. As I repeat, 4 and younger, 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8-year-olds. Meet us down at the end of the track where the traffic cone is at the end of the track. We'll meet you there and get you started signing up. We'll get the pedal tractor and everything down here.
That'll be interesting. Well guys, it's been a little while. And well, I'm having technical difficulties down there. Anyway. Be right back. Okay, guys, how are we going? Yes, sir.
That old black F-350 sitting up here at the tractor. There's a flatbed F-350. It's got a lot of arms to it. That's an old truck. It's got a book in the middle of it inside.
Hold on a second. We might be having an interview here in a minute. Those kids are going to have a little tractor pull here. Where's my battery at? 51. I've been having a time of it today. That thing broke. And then the lawnmower gate ran out of gas. One thing after another. That's the way it is, so. Anyway. Well guys, we got some action. Some, not much. Not much. Well, oh, buddy, pedal. That'd be great. A post is right in the doggone way. Oh well. What can you do, you know? Well, come on, little buddy, pedal, pedal, pedal. Come on, let's move up. Now we can see what's going on. He's paddling. Was. First time I've dropped them sunglasses. Alright. We got some more action. More kids are having fun. More kids are having fun. Another little thumbs up. Oh boy. Oh, guys, how about we press pause on this a minute? Press pause on this a minute and go look at some stuff that slipped in. After that, and we'll be done. I was hoping to get some more of the pool made, but when you have trouble like this, you can't really fix it. But I'll make some shorts out of it. So anyway, all right, guys, one last walk around. I'm going to start over here by these Alice Chalmers tractors. We got a new one with a 2-row planter and an older model, 170, Alice Chalmers 170. With a 2-bottom planter, 2-row planter. And Alice Chalmers D14 with an old style planter. That's quite interesting there.
All right.
Yep. I was really hoping to get more of the show. Look what slipped in on us, Papa. Look at that. Never seen a Ford in this color before.
What's on?
I've never seen a Ford in that color before.
Fords. Not
Mhm.
Fords. Yeah, they paint them sometimes, I think. I'm not sure.
Okay. Another B rolled in. Cranked right up, didn't it?
Oh, good.
Oh yeah. Look, guys, I was looking at Papa there when it started doing that. Look at this other farm all be. Got 2 of them today. That thing's sharp too. That's a nice sharp tractor. And then you got this Hooper MTA thing still leaking. Real quick. Man, that thing's big. It came in narrow and wide front. Well, you know.
Boy, a T model you're looking at.
Uh-huh. Model T. That's a rig and a half.
What?
That's a rig and a half, ain't it?
It is.
Never seen one before. What is it, Baba?
Early big truck.
Okay. And there's an H right there. Look at this. And y'all wonder where I get it from.
Somewhere.
I get it from this man. There's an old car sitting down that way. I like this H sitting right here. There's something for my birthday.
Yeah, I know. I use that.
This is not a bee. It's too small to be a bee, Papa.
Huh?
This is too small to be a bee.
I don't know.
This
More
is.
about ideas nowadays.
I think this is a. It's either an M.
Say it was a bee.
It's too small to be a bee. It's too small to be a bee. It's either a MT or an H or an M. I'm pretty sure it was an H. It looks a whole lot like one. Looks a whole lot like one to be.
Mark is right. Let's go, son.
Alright, I'm gonna get a shot of this car real quick. I'll be back. I'll be over there in a minute.
I'll see you. Sure.
Alright. F100. Alright. There. Papa's ready. I'm ready. Alright. That's a nice truck. Okay, guys, I want to get a quick shot. Oh, this is beautiful. Car. Oh yeah, it's for sale, guys. Nice car. All right. Right here with this F100. That's gonna be it. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this year. I did. I was hoping to get more in the pool, but things happen. So, until next year. But stay tuned for next weekend, because me and Papa are going to a car show next weekend. So, anyway, I'll see y'all then. So, wrapping it up here. I'll see y'all for this coming in a few days of more farming. So, see y'all then.